Alright guys, we're getting ready to start on these stairs here. And we're going to be doing rocks. So they put some roofing material down and hot mopped it. And then we stapled some mesh to it. And Nathan's silicone in the staples so it don't leak. And then there's the rocks we're going to use. Alright guys, here's our rock. Come on in. This is called Arizona sandstone. And it's like an inch, maybe an inch and a half thick. But I love being able to kind of start fitting all these pieces to where they go. And this entire pallet weighs almost 3,000 pounds. You can see my tires are squatted pretty good. And then, alright guys, we got our thin set mixed up. Guys, you want it nice and thick like peanut butter. You don't want it too thin. You want it to kind of hold its form. If it's kind of dripping all over the place, don't even try. Mix it thicker than you think. Okay, you want it to hold its form a little bit. That's the first step. Here we are up here on the top. And we're gonna just start, I'm gonna start over here and work my way toward the stairs so we don't have to walk on anything. And what we're gonna do is just got some differently odd sizes here, so just gonna try to find something like this, kind of dry fit it in there like that. That looks kind of nice. So that's the first one we're gonna start with. You want to be nice and liberal. Let's go, Brandon. Okay, now the key to this, you want some high spots and some low spots, but you also just want to make sure you're consistent, that you have the same amount under everything, okay? Okay. And then we're just going to set it in place. Sponge it around a little bit. And we're ready for the next one. Okay, so as you can see, this rock is a little thinner, so we're going to pop it up. Okay, and we're going to add some thin set underneath of it. And then try to keep it nice and level with the other rocks here. Okay. Good. And we're just going to keep moving along. We're not looking necessarily for perfection. We are looking for randomness. Alright guys, we're mixing the grout semi-thin. Just, you know, it's dribbling out the end a little bit, but you can see here we're applying the grout using a grout bag. Alright guys, come on in. Tommy will take you up through there to show you the beautiful, beautiful. Show them down through there. Please subscribe.